Hi and hello, I am Athena Pondian here. Welcome to the Anatomy for the Biomedical Engineers classroom once again. Today we are going to start the new fresh unit, that is muscular system. What is muscular system and how many muscles are present in a human body and what are all the things we are going to discuss today. Come, let me start the class now. Muscular system. Of course, the name itself says that muscular system involves muscles. So muscles is present in a human body. Of course, we all know that. That particular muscle, what is the need of the particular muscles? This muscles is particularly for four main reasons. It will give strength to the human body. It will give support to the human body. It will give movement at times by the human body. And it will give the heat regulation balance in our human body. So this is the four main purpose your muscles is present in the body. That is the main thing you need to note. Okay, so this particular strength is given along with the skeletal system. This particular muscles is joined and give the strength to the people. This particular support is especially for moving some of the inclination movement. If you want to move the hand like this, if you want to run, if you want to sit, if you want to stand, whatever the thing it may be, this particular support is required. Okay, then during the time of in the support we can able to say is that you just take an example of the internal organs. They need some of the support, especially your cardiology, your heart. This is fully depends on the muscles of the heart. Because of the contraction relaxation, they need support, and they need the support is the main part of the contraction relaxation. And then the next is movement. If you want to bend a knee, if you want to move a vertebral column, if you want to move a hand like this, if you want to move a neck like this, the muscle support is very important for the movement. Then the heat regulation. Of course, the heat will be generated and will be balanced with the environment surrounding. That is done by the muscles along with some of the internal tissues. So this is the four main important functionality of the muscles. Because of these particular four reasons, your muscles are present. That we see the types of muscles. Types of muscles. Of course, you know that muscles give the major support to many of the organs. 60% of your human body weight, it is made up of muscles. Okay, that muscles give many functionality to internal organs and your skeletal system. So this particular muscles, according to the functionality and according to the region where it is placed, it can able to classified into three different types. One is skeletal muscle, another one is cardiac muscle, and another one is smooth muscle. So please remember, skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle, and smooth muscle. Then come to the skeletal muscle. So this skeletal muscle, it is especially present along with the human skeletal system. See, we know that the tendon. Yesterday class we just saw what is tendon. Tendon is nothing but the connection between the bone and the muscles. Because only the bone is not at all useful. In some of the region, only the bone is not at all use any support. Along with the muscles only, it can able to give support, especially in your joints. They need some of the muscle support. Then only they can able to attain some of the movements. So for that particular reason, your muscles is along with the skeletal body. Because that is along with the 55% of your muscles is present in your skeletal body. There is a joint along with your skeletal body. Okay. Then come to the cardiac muscle. So cardiac muscle, of course, cardiac is nothing but the heart. The function of the heart is contraction and relaxation. So the particular contraction and relaxation is fully depending on the muscles. The full layer of the muscle of the heart, it depends on the contraction and relaxation. So that is what we require the special muscle for the heart. That is called the cardiac muscle. Then the last is smooth muscle. Most of the internal organs of the human body is made up of smooth muscles, especially your internal lining of your stomach and your intestine, that is small intestine and large intestine, and your urinary systems. All the thing is fully made up of the smooth muscles. Because they need a small protection, they need a small structural lining. For that, this smooth muscle is required for the internal organs. This is the three main important classifications of the muscular system. According to the functionality and according to the purpose of the region, this particular system is classified into three: skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle, and smooth muscles. So we are just hold this topic today. In the next class, we are going to see separately what is the skeletal muscle and what is the tissue is made up of, and what is cardiac and what is smooth muscles. Okay. Thank you very much.